It's that time of the afternoon. Copy trend 32 from the year 1932. The rise of the automatic espresso machine. In 1932, coffee innovation took a major step forward as inventors worked on making espresso machines safer and more efficient. This era led directly to the development of the first automatic espresso systems, reducing the risks of earlier steam-powered machines and helping shape modern-day cafe coffee culture. At the same time, stylish electric coffee makers were becoming popular in homes, showing how coffee was becoming both a daily ritual and a symbol of modern living. Thank you for listening. That's Coffee Trend 32.